In a world where it often feels like time and effort can slip through our fingers, the concept of the universe restoring what seems lost or wasted can offer a profound sense of hope and renewal. Many people grapple with the feeling that their efforts, energy, or resources have been squandered, leaving them disheartened and disillusioned. However, there are signs and signals that suggest the universe might have a way of balancing the scales, returning what was seemingly lost and bringing about a sense of restoration. Here are 7 signs that indicate the universe is poised to restore all that you perceive as wasted. Unexpected opportunities arise. One of the most telling signs that the universe is about to restore what has been lost is the sudden appearance of unexpected opportunities. When you've been feeling like you've invested time or resources with little return, and then out of nowhere, new doors begin to open, it can be a powerful indication of restoration at work. These opportunities might not always align perfectly with your original goals, but they often provide a new pathway to success or fulfillment. This phenomenon suggests that the universe is compensating for previous losses by presenting fresh chances to make up for what was seemingly wasted. Increased clarity and perspective. Another sign that the universe is restoring what was lost is the emergence of increased clarity and perspective. When you start to gain a deeper understanding of past experiences and see them in a new light, it often means that the universe is helping you to recognize the value in what you once thought was wasted. This newfound clarity can reveal how past experiences have contributed to your personal growth and prepare you to make better decisions in the future. The ability to reflect on past actions with a more enlightened viewpoint is a clear sign that the universe is working to restore balance in your life. Unexpected financial windfalls. Financial restoration is another way the universe can compensate for what seems lost. If you find yourself receiving unexpected financial gains, whether through a surprise bonus, an inheritance, or a lucrative opportunity, it can be a sign that the universe is addressing the imbalance created by previous financial challenges. These windfalls often come at a time when you need them most, providing the resources needed to make up for past investments that didn't pan out as planned. Reconnection with important relationships. The restoration of relationships can also signify that the universe is working to balance what has been lost. If you find yourself reconnecting with important people from your past, or strengthening bonds with individuals you thought were gone forever, it can be a powerful indication of the universe's restorative influence. These reconnections often bring a renewed sense of support, love, and understanding, helping to heal past wounds and restore what was once lost in terms of emotional connection. Personal growth and development. Personal growth and development are crucial signs that the universe is restoring what has been wasted. When you experience significant personal growth, whether through new skills, increased resilience, or greater self-awareness, it often means that the universe is turning past challenges into valuable learning experiences. This growth helps to compensate for any perceived losses by equipping you with the tools and insights needed to navigate future endeavors more successfully. Synchronicities and signs. Experiencing synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that seem to guide you toward a particular outcome, can be a clear sign that the universe is working to restore balance. These synchronicities often occur when you least expect them, but feel incredibly significant. They can provide reassurance and guidance, showing that the universe is aligning events to help you recover from past losses and move forward in a positive direction. A sense of renewed purpose. Finally, a renewed sense of purpose can indicate that the universe is in the process of restoring what you feel was wasted. When you start to feel reinvigorated and motivated towards new goals or aspirations, it often means that you are being guided toward a new chapter in your life. This sense of purpose can emerge from previously wasted experiences, suggesting that the universe is transforming past disappointments into a foundation for future success and fulfillment. In conclusion, while it can to feel that your efforts and resources have been wasted, these signs suggest that the universe is always at work to restore balance and bring new opportunities. By recognizing these signs and remaining open to the possibilities they present, you can embrace the restorative power of the universe and move forward with renewed hope and purpose. Recognizing these opportunities requires a degree of mindfulness and openness. Often they come disguised as challenges or changes in your routine, so it's essential to remain alert and adaptable. Seizing these opportunities involves being proactive, making informed decisions, and embracing change. When you approach these new avenues with a positive attitude, you align yourself with the universe's intention to restore and balance your experiences. Many individuals have experienced significant life changes due to unexpected opportunities. For example, someone who loses their job might unexpectedly find a more fulfilling career through a networking event they initially thought was trivial. Such stories highlight the universe's ability to restore balance by redirecting efforts into new, rewarding paths. Increased clarity and perspective often come after a period of reflection or personal growth. When you gain a deeper understanding of past experiences, it can feel like the universe is helping you to see the value in what seemed wasted. This clarity helps you appreciate how previous efforts and challenges have shaped your current path, leading to a sense of restored balance and purpose. Cultivating clarity involves practices such as journaling, meditation, or seeking guidance from mentors and counselors. Reflecting on past experiences with an open mind allows you to uncover hidden lessons and insights. By understanding how these experiences contribute to your overall growth, you begin to recognize that nothing is truly wasted. Instead, everything is part of a larger, purposeful journey. Individuals often gain perspective through significant life events or personal realizations. For instance, someone might look back on a failed relationship and understand how it prepared them for a more fulfilling partnership later. This shift in perspective helps to restore a sense of balance and reinforces the idea that every experience contributes to your growth. Financial restoration involves receiving unexpected financial gains that help offset previous losses. These windfalls can come in various forms, such as bonuses, gifts, or new income streams. They often appear when you are in need of financial support, indicating that the universe is addressing past imbalances and providing a form of compensation. Preparing for financial windfalls involves maintaining financial discipline and openness to new opportunities. When you receive unexpected gains, it's crucial to manage them wisely by investing in your personal and professional growth. Utilizing these windfalls effectively can help restore balance by enabling you to address past financial challenges and build a more secure future. Numerous stories illustrate the concept of financial restoration. For example, a person who has invested heavily in a business venture that initially fails might later receive a substantial inheritance or find a new business opportunity that more than compensates for the initial loss. Such examples underscore the universe's role in restoring financial balance. Reconnecting with important relationships often signifies that the universe is restoring emotional balance. These reconnections can heal past wounds and reestablish support networks that were previously lost. They serve as a reminder that relationships are a crucial aspect of personal fulfillment and that lost connections can be regained. Fostering reconnection involves reaching out with genuine intentions and a willingness to rebuild trust. Open communication, forgiveness, and understanding are essential components of rekindling relationships. By making an effort to reconnect with people who have played a significant role in your life, you allow the universe to restore emotional balance and strengthen your support system. Stories of relationship restoration often involve individuals who rekindle friendships or family bonds after periods of estrangement. For instance, Someone who has been distanced from a sibling might find themselves reconnecting after a significant life event, leading to a renewed and stronger relationship. These reconnections highlight the universe's role in restoring emotional connections. Personal growth is a key indicator that the universe is restoring what seems wasted. When you experience significant personal development, whether through acquiring new skills, gaining wisdom, or enhancing your resilience, it often reflects the universe's way of turning past challenges into valuable learning experiences. This growth helps to address previous losses by preparing you for future success. Fostering personal growth involves setting goals, embracing new experiences, and seeking continuous learning opportunities. Engaging in activities such as education, self-reflection, and skill building helps you to evolve and adapt. By focusing on personal development, you align yourself with the universe's intention to transform past challenges into growth opportunities. Many people have experienced transformative personal growth as a result of overcoming past obstacles. For example, someone who has faced significant adversity might emerge with newfound strength and determination, leading to personal and professional achievements that surpass previous limitations. These stories illustrate how personal growth can restore balance and provide a sense of fulfillment. Synchronicities are meaningful coincidences that seem to guide you toward a particular outcome. They often appear when you are on the brink of a new phase in your life or when you need reassurance. Experiencing synchronicities can be a sign that the universe is working to restore balance and guide you towards positive changes. Recognizing synchronicities involves paying attention to seemingly random events that feel significant or aligned with your goals. Interpreting these signs requires openness and an understanding of how they relate to your current situation. By being aware of these synchronicities and reflecting on their meanings, you can better align yourself with the universe's restorative influence. Examples of synchronicities include encountering someone who provides crucial advice just when you need it, or finding a solution to a problem through a chance conversation. Such occurrences often feel like signs from the universe, guiding you towards restoration and positive outcomes. These examples underscore the role of synchronicities in aligning your path with the universe's intentions. A renewed sense of purpose often signifies that the universe is restoring what seems lost. When you feel reinvigorated and motivated towards new goals or aspirations, it indicates that past experiences have led you to a clearer understanding of your true purpose. This renewed sense of purpose helps to restore balance by providing direction and meaning in your life. Cultivating renewed purpose involves self-reflection, goal setting, and pursuing passions that resonate with your values. Engaging in activities that align with your core beliefs and aspirations helps to reinforce your sense of purpose. By embracing this renewed direction, you align yourself with the universe's intention to restore balance and fulfillment in your life. Numerous individuals have experienced renewed purpose after overcoming challenges or setbacks. For example, someone who has faced a career failure might discover a new passion that leads to a more fulfilling and impactful career path. These stories illustrate how the universe's restorative influence can lead to a deeper sense of purpose and achievement. To fulfill the signs that the universe will restore what you perceive as wasted, it's essential to engage in proactive and mindful actions that align with each sign. Here's a comprehensive guide on what to do to align yourself with these signs and facilitate the process of restoration. Embrace change. Be open to new experiences and changes in your routine. Opportunities often come disguised as disruptions or challenges. Cultivating a flexible mindset helps you recognize and adapt to these opportunities when they arise. Be proactive. When unexpected opportunities present themselves, take the initiative to explore them. Research, network, and gather information to make informed decisions. Proactivity can turn potential opportunities into tangible benefits. Expand your network. Engage with new people and communities related to your interests and goals. Networking can increase the likelihood of encountering opportunities that you might not have come across otherwise. Seek mentorship. Find mentors or advisors who can offer guidance and support as you navigate new opportunities. Their experience and insights can help you make the most of these chances. Evaluate risks and rewards. Assess the potential benefits and downsides of new opportunities. Taking calculated risks can lead to significant rewards and facilitate the restoration of what was lost. Step out of your comfort zone. Sometimes the most rewarding opportunities require stepping outside of your comfort zone. Embrace challenges and new experiences with a positive attitude. Journaling. Regularly journal your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. Reflecting on past events can provide insights into how they have contributed to your growth and help you see the value in what seemed wasted. Meditation. Practice mindfulness and meditation to gain clarity and perspective. These practices help you connect with your inner self and gain a deeper understanding of your experiences. Consult with trusted individuals. Talk to friends, family, or mentors who know you well. Their perspectives can offer valuable insights and help you see past experiences in a new light. Professional guidance. Consider working with a therapist or counselor to explore your feelings and gain a deeper understanding of your past experiences and their impact on your life.